Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the layout of your design in Adobe Express. This is a great way to organize your content professionally and create visually balanced compositions without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're on the page, log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express workspace. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard where all your creative projects are stored. Now click on Start New Design to begin creating. This will open up several options for you to choose from. Select Custom Size, which gives you full control over the dimensions of your project. Once you've made your selection, click Create New File to open the editor. This takes you directly into the workspace where you'll build your design. In the upper left corner of the editor, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on it to reveal a menu of different elements you can add to your design. From this menu, select Charts and Grids. This section contains various layout options that help structure your content in an organized and visually appealing way. Once you're in the Charts and Grids section, click on the Grids tab. Here you'll find a range of pre-designed layout templates to choose from. Browse through the options and select your preferred layout. These grids are incredibly useful for arranging images, text, or other design elements in a balanced format. After selecting your layout, you might want to resize it to better fit your design. Simply click and drag the corners or edges of the grid to adjust its size. This flexibility ensures your layout works perfectly with the rest of your composition. Next, look over to the left panel where you'll find customization options. Here you can adjust the padding and spacing between the grid sections. Use the slider and move it from left to right to find the spacing that works best for your design. This step is important because it affects how much breathing room your content has and how professional the final result looks. Now let's talk about customizing the images within your layout. For example, click on the first image in your grid. Once it's selected, navigate to the top toolbar and click Replace. This opens up several options for swapping out the current image. You can click Replace with Upload if you have a specific file or image saved on your device. Alternatively, you can browse through your stuff, photos, videos, design assets, or even your Google Drive to find the perfect image. This gives you access to all your resources in one place. Select the image or file you want to use, then click Open. The new image will now appear in that section of your grid, and you can repeat this process for any other sections you want to customize. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the layout of your design in Adobe Express and customized it to fit your vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.